Hi, Jenny here. Today it's another gal in the office's birthday and she likes chocolate chip cookies. So I figured it was the perfect time to try this recipe I have for 4-star chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 2 cups of chocolate chips, half a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, half a cup of raisins, and half a cup of shredded coconut. We are first going to mix together our 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, just in a medium-sized bowl, and we're going to set that aside. We will now beat the butter and sugars and vanilla together. You want to make sure that you scrape down your beaters and the sides of your bowl, so in case anything didn't really get mixed up in this first round here, it'll all get mixed well in the next round. So after we scrape all this down, we're going to add our eggs, mix that well, and then we'll slowly add our flour mixture. Alright, I'm going to chop up my walnuts a little bit. We need half a cup of walnuts. I have pieces here that are a little bit big, so I'm going to chop these up. And then we're also going to mix in half a cup of raisins, half a cup of coconut, and then 2 cups of chocolate chips. And we're just going to fold that all into our mixture. And also preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So about the time that it takes my oven to preheat, this is usually good. By the time I get all this mixed up and get my cookie dough onto my cookie sheets, it should be ready to go. Alright, we will now drop these by the teaspoonfuls, or if you have a little cookie scoop, you can use that. I figured today I was just going to do little teaspoonfuls so I can hopefully make a few more cookies, like more cookies but smaller, because I will be taking them into work to share. So that way they're bite-sized. You can kind of put them all right in your mouth and eat them right away and keep working. Alright, so again, the oven is at 375. We're going to cook these for 9 to 11 minutes. Bake them, I suppose, not cook. Alright. Timer is beep. Oh yeah. So there we are at 9 minutes. Nice! I won't let them cool. Once your cookies have cooled for a couple minutes on the baking sheet, you want to take them off and remove them to a cooling rack to cool completely. The cookies have cooled now. I must say, chocolate chip cookies are my favorite, so we'll see how these are with the extra ingredients in them. I'm sure they'll be extra tasty. I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like chocolate chip cookies, or if you like extra ingredients in them, or just plain, or how you like to eat them. I'm gonna enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive and go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Wow. Extra tasty. And then I roll my eyes. It's just my thing. I'm gonna enjoy my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Extra tasty.